Hi guys, how are you? I first of all I just want to thanks all my viewers who are watching me and appreciating my videos and passing so wonderful comments on me and my videos. I really want to thankful to all my viewers who are approaching me and giving so much of love, whether it is Canada, Malaysia, or any part of the world, even from California, USA, Germany. Every person is calling me, from India also. Everywhere I am getting love because there is reality in me and my dealings and my videos, and there is no fake anything else. But I just want to request one of the thing is that if you want to ask me anything or any query, if you want to ask, don't please ask on YouTube, because it is very difficult to reply there. If you want to ask anything, there is my WhatsApp number 9815462639, or you can put India code and can call me also. And there is a facility in the WhatsApp on video also, you can call me on video. And if you want to mail me, there is mail number also. This is batra.ad@gmail.com, batra.ad@gmail.com. And this is my WhatsApp number 9815462639. And Rudra Astro Science Kendra@yahoo.in is also another mail. You can ask me any query and then we can contact with each other, whether you are calling from Malaysia, Indonesia, or from Australia, or from Canada, USA, anywhere, from any part of the world. But I am really very happy that all of you are calling me and appreciating my videos, the realities what I am saying in this world. So I am really very happy. I just want to thank you, all of you, and if I will be a guideline for you, I will be very grateful, and I will appreciate your all help and your love which you are giving to me again and again. And I will really appreciate those people who really are loving me, and sometimes they're sending flowers on my messages that, sir, last year I had analysis from you and you gave some such wonderful remedies, and now it is working in my life. And the stone remedies I told them, and they are also working. They are really very lovable people who are doing this. So today, my viewers, we will talk about diabetes today. What is diabetes? It is very serious topic, whether it is in India or anywhere in the world. But India is having second country who's having a lot of diabetic patients. Millions patients are there. Second to China. China, there are 96 millions people of diabetes. Now, what is diabetes and how to come out from the diabetes? It is very important. 1,000 people have come out from diabetes who have got analysis from me, and I have given the remedies to them and they have really followed it. And how they have come out, I will discuss it with you later in my later video, in this part only. But first of all, let us understand what is diabetes. Diabetes, according to the medical aspects, we can understand that what is diabetes is. Diabetes is a condition which occurs as a result of problems with the production and supply of insulin in the body. Now, what is insulin and what is supply, and what how our body reacts it is. What we are eating, unhealthy food, oily food, sweet, fats, whatever we are eating, it turns into glucose. Now it is very difficult procedure. I will explain it in Hindi also afterwards, but first let us understand how it works in your body. It turns into glucose when we use glucose, or the body takes the glucose inside the body, then it is changed into the source of energy. It is a source of energy. This glucose is source of energy in the body, which in turns give power to the muscles and the tissues which the body contains. Then our body works, and then this body transfer this glucose in our blood to muscles and tissues. This is the main procedure of the body. When we eat food, the glucose is food is turned into glucose in body, then glucose is the source of energy which we get in our body, then it gives this energy to power to muscles and tissues, then this body transfer this glucose in our blood to muscles and tissues, then we need a hormone that is called as insulin to absorb glucose from our blood. This is the main thing. This insulin is the hormone. Then without insulin, our body cannot obtain the necessary energy from our food. Now again, this is very important. Then why we get into diabetic disease? What is the reason? According to the medical aspect I am talking. Then this insulin is the hormone, and now where this insulin is produced, it is a gland named pancreas, that is made in pancreas. This insulin is made in pancreas, which is behind the stomach. This is a gland behind the stomach. Now when it is released by the beta cells. It is a beta cells in the pancreas which release the insulin, and insulin allows the entry of our glucose from the blood into these cells, and thus becomes necessary for the body to use glucose for energy. When we eat food, body breaks down all the glucose and starch into the glucose then used for the energy. Then there is a failure of pancreas, and the result is diabetes. Now this whole procedure you must have understood. When we eat food, it turns into glucose, then it turns into energy, and when we don't do exercise, and lack of exercise, this whole diabetes is the result in the human body, and this is the pancreas which are failed. Now the main question is that there are two types of diabetes. One is diabetic 1 type, and second is the diabetes 2 type. First type is the diabetes which are mostly in the young children, and it is very dangerous, and they need an insulin injection for that. They need an insulin injection is injected through injection in the blood, so that the insulin can control the body, the blood which I have already told you. This insulin is very important for our body to control the sugar levels. Now the type 1 is very difficult to reversed, because type 2, the insulin is with the help of medical science. This type 1 diabetes is getting treated day by day. The medical science is trying their best to treat the type 1 diabetes. Now it is in the young adults till the age of 30, and very small children also. I have got many cases in which 5 years old girl was suffering from diabetes. She was having 500 diabetes at the age of 5 years, and we have given the treatment and analysis of her report, and then after 1 year she has come out from the insulin injections. And how she has come, I will tell you later. First of all, the diabetes 2 is after the age of 45, and it is also due to the obesity. The main factors are due to obesity, family history, or lack of exercise. These are the main factors which give results to diabetes 2. Now how the diabetes is to remove, we will go into the astrological point of view, because the medical how pancreas are destroyed, no answer with the medical science. Because when you have diabetes, you don't know when you have a diabetes. There are some symptoms, as you will go to urine very frequently, you will be very thirsty. The third is that you will lose your weight unusually. The fourth thing is that you will eat very much and you will lose your weight. Suddenly you will lose 10 or 12 kgs of weight. Now I just want to tell you that what is the astrological aspects of diabetes. Now how the diabetes are controlled by or the reasons of diabetes, how the diabetes is there in we see in a human being as from astrological aspects, because diabetes is very dangerous disease, and it is not curable and it is not reversed, but in many cases we have reversed these diabetes in diabetes 2 types also. But in diabetes 1, the small child has come out from the insulin injection. Now her diabetes is controlled. Now I will tell you how the diabetes attack and why, what are the reasons of diabetes. Because in India, when doctors or medical science explains you that you should take care of your health, you should take healthy foods, you should eat healthy food, you should do exercise, nobody listen to doctors or medical science, because they say, in there is a mentality in India that if some disease has come, then only they will run to a doctor, otherwise they will not care to their body. Similar is the point of view. When there is problem, then you come to an astrologer, otherwise you don't care of your life. When your mind does not works, when you do every remedy in your life, whether it is puja, mantra, tantra, then you come to an astrologer for analyzation. I just want to request you all, my viewers, that please do regular exercises. Don't take this life so easily. You have to maintain your body, you have to exercise regularly, because medical science also say this, the doctors also explain again and again. They say that please do exercise, regular exercise, eat less sugar, because after 30 or after 7 o'clock you should not eat salt and sugar in your daily routines, because it is very unhealthy diet, and you should take a balanced diet in your life, and eat 5 times with a small quantity, so that it can be used as energy, what I am talking about in this video. Now let us see the astrological point of view, what are the combinations, how the diabetes attack to your body. Let us see. So my viewers, I just want to tell you that what are the astrological aspects of diabetes. The main planets are Jupiter, which rules over the pancreas, and when the Jupiter is negative or afflicted with Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and it is in the Lagan or in the Saturn's Rashi, then it will give 100%, it will give diabetes. It also rules over spleen, gallbladder, ear, who have the tinnitus problem. This Jupiter is the main ruling planet for these gallbladder stones also. Then the jaundice, liver, obesity, liver also, and flesh, the weight of a person. Someone is very much overweight because they are attracted toward the oily food and bad food habits. We have to see the second house. If there is a Saturn, Rahu or Ketu, then they will eat bad foods. And Jupiter, if Jupiter have 6, 8, 12 or in a Nadi report, then they will definitely eat the oily food. They will have lot of sweets, and due to lack of exercise, they will one day they will have diabetes, and it will be very dangerous for them if it is not treated, because Jupiter is the main planet to give diabetes, and Rahu also, because it rules over the endocrine system of your body, and the endocrinology, who are the doctors for diabetes specialists, endocrine system, they control the endocrine system. They work on the pancreas, and these cells what I have talked about, that is the beta cells, which release these pancreas, the insulin in the body. These are the cells which are dead. Then the other planets which are responsible are Moon, Rahu, Saturn and Venus. So these are the main planets which rule over your system. If there is a 6, 8, 12, 6, 8, 12 in Rahu, 6, 8, 12 in Saturn, and they are afflicted with Jupiter anywhere in the mainly in the 6th, 8th or 12th house, or there is a link between the 6th, 8th and 12th house, then 100% you will be suffering from diabetes, because Rahu rules over the endocrine system, I have already told. Then the other is that severe kapha dosh. Now I have already talked about Pitta, Vata and Kapha dosh, because in Ayurveda there are 3 doshas which gives the disease or the health problems. I have discussed it very in detail in my other video of Pitta, Vata, Kapha dosh. And in Kapha dosh, there is the Jupiter is the main planet which gives the severe Kapha dosh, Moon and Venus. These 3 are the planets which give depression also. If a person is in depression, then also he will 100% moon is the planet which controls the blood of the human body, and if it is afflicted with bad planets like Rahu, Ketu, or the moon with sun, then it is bad, or the lord of sixth house, then it contains, if it contains 5 house number, 6 house number, 8 and 12 house number, then 100% the man, a human being, whether she or he will definitely suffer from diabetes, because diabetes will not be controlled if it is not treated astrologically. Yes, you have to take medical help also. There are various medicines which are prescribed by the doctors for sugar, for diabetes, but what the doctor will help you, the doctor again and again says you to improve your health, improve your food habits, healthy food. You should eat diabetic food, you should not take sugar, or you should do exercises. Lot of exercises will help you to come out from the sugar, and it will give a level, because I have already told you about what we food does. It turns into glucose, then it turns into energy, it gives power to muscles and tissue. If you will not exercise as per your doctors, if you will not do exercise, regular exercise, at least 5 days in a week, you should go for a walk, or for you should join a gym, or swimming, running, cycling, anything, then only you will observe this energy. If you will keep on eating, then one day this obesity, which is whose Jupiter is not having 6, 8, 12, then Jupiter will increase the flesh in your body, and it will give obesity. Then the liver, kidney and spleen all will be damaged one day due to diabetes, and there will be a sudden death due to diabetes. So it is my request to all my viewers, so kindly follow the procedure, because moon and Jupiter with affliction of Virgo Rashi, or the 6th house lord of 6th sign, gives rise to diabetes. If it contains 6, 8, 12 report in Nadi, then 8th house also rules over the diabetes. If it is afflicted, their Venus is there with 6, 8, 12, or Saturn or Jupiter, then there will 100% there will be diabetes. Then Saturn and Rahu afflicted with Jupiter, then Venus is 6th, Jupiter in 12th with 6, 8, 12 combination, and with 5 house also, which is the main house for pancreas, it will 100% give you the diabetes. Then you have to take the medical help, medical science, because medical science has increased the longevity of a person, because they have done wonderful jobs in their medical field, and they are reducing the deaths due to these diabetes, and they are controlling the diabetes. But there are some stones also, specific stones, which are given for the diabetes treatment, so that there is a combination of diabetes stones, so that it can heal your the disease, and you can come out from the diabetes. Because if there is so much of sugar, and the sugar levels are so much high, if you control your 8th house or the Jupiter planet, because 8th house is the main planet, if we have to see what nakshatras are sitting here, there are 3 nakshatras. If it is 11, if it is Aquarius, then there is Ketu, Venus and Sun. These 3 nakshatras will be ruling over here. If it is Aquarius here and Jupiter here, then it will, and if Jupiter contains 6, 8, 12 in the Nadi report, then we have to see which stones to give, because there are 3 nakshatras which control, because Jupiter will act in the according to the Ketu, Venus and Sun. And if Ketu has 6, 8, 12, Venus has 6, 8, 12, Sun has with 6, 8, 12, 100% there will be a diabetes, and we have to control it by the secret combination of stones also with the medicines. Then only you will improve your health. You will come out from the myth that because doctor always says that you should control your diet, but nobody controls his diet. Nobody listen even to the medical science. How you will listen to an astrological person when you believe in medical science, and medical science again and again says you to eat less when you are suffering from diabetes, eat healthy food, eat less sweet, have some exercises regularly in the daytime, or in evening time you should go for a walk, but you don't listen to medical science even. Then it is very difficult for you to follow astrological point of view, because you will be amazed to you will be really shocked that how an astrological point of view or astrological aspect can explain the happening of diabetes in a human body. Why this happens? Because fifth house is the house of pancreas. Jupiter is the main planet which gives diabetes, and then Venus, and all these combination which I have already told you. So my friends, it is very difficult to come out from these diabetes. So if you want a report from me, then I will give you the analyzation, and also give you, I will just show you, there was a diabetic patient who was having a diabetes, who came to me, and his diabetes has been reversed. In 2014 he was suffering from diabetes. Now how, I will tell you. If you see closely, if you see the moon, it contains 6, 8, 12 with 4 house number, and 5 number is there in Jupiter. Sun also contains 5 number. Rahu also contains 5 number. There is a 5 number in Ketu also. In Venus there is 8, 12 with 5 number also, and 5 also in Sun. And he got diabetes in the period of Moon, Sun and Venus. If you see properly, Moon, Sun and Venus in 2014 he was having a diabetes, because Moon contains 6, 8 with 4, 3 and 9. There is no 5 and 11, because which gives good health. In Sun also there is 5, 8, 5, 8, and in Venus also it is 5, 8, 12. So this is the report which gives the perfect idea to come out from the diabetes. And when we gave him the secret combination of stones, then he came out from these disease very well. Now he is not suffering from diabetes, and it is 100% correct and true that he is not suffering from diabetes. Everyone does not comes out from diabetes. It is not an easy job to come out from a diabetes, from even from astrological point of view. The person who can come out, we can see in analyzation report. Then only we give him the stone therapy also. Otherwise we also don't give him the stone therapy. But what is the reason if we give a stone therapy, or if he is taking medicines and he believes that if I eat everything after having medicines also and having stones also, then also he will not come out from the diabetes easily. He will die one day, his kidney will be failed, there will be failure of his kidney, liver, everything will be failed, eyes failure, vision failure, this sugar will give everything. So it is better that you should listen properly to the medical science also and astrological science also, both of the combination. If you follow both the combinations, then only you will come out from these dangerous disease like diabetes 1 or 2 type. Because I have got many people who are coming with me having diabetes. But what is the use when you have diabetes and then you come to medical science, or when you approach astro science? There is no use. So it is better that you should get your analysis of your child, and your in small age or only, or if you not having diabetes, then you should get analyzation of your report after the age of 30 also. Because type 2 will attack after the age of 40, or after 38 it will definitely attack if you are not doing regular exercises, not doing any gym work, or physical activity is most important for this. So I request you guys, you please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, I will be very happy. And I again request you that if you like my videos, you subscribe it. I will be grateful to you. And if you want to ask anything from me, any query if you want, because one of the person from Bangladesh, his name is Azam Nazim, he gave his date of birth and time place in YouTube. How can I explain all these things on YouTube? How can I reply these on YouTube? So I have already told you to approach me on my mail, that is batra.ad@gmail.com. In the starting of this video, I have already told you, when I started this video, my WhatsApp number is also 9815462639. I again and again repeat it here, so that you can approach me on my mail or my WhatsApp number. There is no need to yes, you can comment on YouTube. If you like my videos, you can subscribe it, share it to your friends, it will be great help for you also. It is a good work you are doing if you share these videos with your friends, because it will definitely increase their knowledge of astrological point of view, what is astrological point of view. So now I just want to end this video with a request that you please approach me on my mails and WhatsApp number. And I'm really very happy the love you are giving me from all over the world. I am getting so much of respect and love. And these people who have dealt with me, they know that I am very much clear in my dealings. I do not exploit anyone. The things which I am giving is very much clear and it is to the point. I don't drag the things into waste materials, and I don't waste anybody's time. So I'll be grateful to you. Have a nice day. God bless you. Goodbye.